So just picking up where we left off on the last video, I'm now going to attempt this part C of the question. Much like we did with the last one, we need to write it with its powers first. So that's equal to 2x squared minus 5x all to the power of 3, which then is all to the power of 1/4. I'm just thinking there might be an easier way to do something like this. Because we know when we have a power to a power like that, we actually just multiply them. So this is actually the same as 2x squared minus 5x to the power of 3/4. That's going to be much nicer. So again, we've got a function, we've got the squared function inside the power of 3/4 function. So we're using chain rule again. So we'll let u equal the inner function, which is 2x squared minus 5x. That means that du dx is 4x minus 5. And we can say that y equals u to the power of 3/4. So that means that dy du is going to be 3/4 of u to the power of negative 1/4 when we take away 1 from it. Again, write out the rule. So dy dx equals dy du by du dx, and sub everything in. So that's 3/4 of u to the power of negative 1/4 multiplied by, and then it was du dx, which is 4x minus 5. And subbing u back in, we get 3/4 of 2x squared minus 5x to the power of negative 1/4, and then that's multiplied by 4x minus 5. If I wanted to write that, actually, I'm going to just sidestep here for a second again. So looking at that shortcut, we differentiated this part here by moving the 3/4 down the front, taking away 1 from the power. So that gave us this right here. And then you can see that I've just multiplied by the derivative of whatever's inside the bracket as well. So 2x squared minus 5x became just 4x minus 5. So yeah, that is the shortcut which can be used. But if I want to write this here with a positive power, or even just like without having the powers there, what I would do is I'd have to move this here into the denominator first to make this number here positive. So that is actually the same as 3 times 4x minus 5 over, and then we've got 4 times 2x squared minus 5x to the power of 1/4. And that power of 1/4 is the same as a 4th root. So, if I wanted to, again, this isn't really necessary, but it's just, not a bad thing to see the algebra behind it. So that is 3 bracket 4x minus 5 over 4 times the 4th root of 2x squared minus 5x. So these are all different forms that we could write this thing in, and you can use the verify strip on your calculator in the e-activities to check that out for yourselves. Anyway, leave it there, and we'll see you next time.